Hello, boys and girls. So, today we are going to move on to the new topic, which is the last topic of your textbook, Unit 15, and the title is The Obedient Sign. You can refer to your textbook on page 144. Our learning objective for today are by the end of this video, you should be able to listen and understand the story of Chakri and his mother, read the story about Chakri, and finally rearrange the plot of the story. Move on to the text. Okay, if you look at page 144, there is a story about Chakri and his mother. And let's look at the instruction. The pupils of 6 robotics are listening to a part of an Asian folklore read by Encik Hakimi. So before we read, let's look at the picture given. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 frames in this story. And let's look at the first frame. Mother, don't worry. I've promised father to take care of you. Oh, Chakri, I'm so proud of you. So basically in this frame, there are 2 main characters, which are Chakri and his mother. And you can see the responsibility taken by the son or taken by Chakri. Once he made the promise to his father, he will take care of his mother. He keep his promise. And then the importance of nurturing good values in parenting. So maybe when Chakri was still a baby, since he was a baby, his mom has nurtured him to be a good boy, to be a responsible boy. So once he grew up and once his father passed away, he took the responsibility to take care and protect his mother. Okay, now move on to the second frame. Chakri, there is a war. Leave this village and save yourself. No, mother, come with me. So in this frame, you can see a mother's love because she prioritized the son's life. Instead of her life, she said to Chakri, go leave the village now so that you will be safe. And but how did Chakri respond to that? So he said, no, mom, you have to come with me. So it's a wise decision maker. Chakri is such a wise decision maker. So move on to the third frame. Okay, we don't have any money. Where can we go? Mother will make a hut in the jungle and stay there. So again, you see, at this desperate situation, Chakri can come up with a solution to build a hut in the jungle. So he made use of things around and he was able to think of the best solution in such a desperation. So at this moment, he can come up with a solution to save himself as well as his mother. Okay, and the last frame. Mother, I'm going to find food in the jungle. And the mother said, please take care of yourself, Chakri. Okay, you have to note that in the last frame, the change of setting. They are no longer in their old house. They are in the hut in the jungle. Okay, because on the third frame, they are leaving the village. Okay, and then you can see mother son bond. They are bonding whereby Chakri took the responsibility to go and find food for the family, and the mom was worried that he will go out, and he advised him to take care of himself. Okay, and now let's see how much do you remember. So if you look at your textbook at the bottom part on page 144, bottom part of the page, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sentences given to you whereby you have to arrange them to make a story. Okay, so a war took place. Chakri went into the jungle to find food. They stayed in the jungle. Chakri's father had died. They had no money and place to go, and they left the village. So these sentences are not arranged according to the plot. So let's see which one comes first. So let's cross check. First of all, Chakri's father had died. And then at the beginning of the story, Chakri told his mother that he had made a promise to his father to take care of her. And then they had no money and place to go. And then a war took place whereby his mother told him to leave the village so that he will be safe. But then Chakri said no, he has to bring his mother along with him. So they left the village and then they built a hut and stayed in the jungle. Chakri went into the jungle to find food. So this is the correct arrangement of the plot. Okay, next. Okay, it's time for you to answer the quiz. All the best. So this link will be given to you through WhatsApp, and you can just click on this link and straight away it leads you to the quiz page. You just got to answer there. I think that's all from me today. So I hope you understand the story of Chakri and his mother. If you have any question or any hesitation, please reach me at this number. Okay, everyone, stay safe and have a good day.